Imagine waking up to water flooding your New York apartment. Panic sets in. Where's it coming from? How do you stop it? And who do you call? Every second counts. You don't have time to scroll through reviews or wait for a call back. In a true plumbing emergency, you need immediate help from professionals who know New York's unique buildings. Don't risk your property or peace of mind. Call 1-888-862-0246 right away. Water can destroy floors, walls, and even the structure of your home in minutes. The longer you wait, the worse and more expensive the damage gets. This isn't a DIY job. It's time to act, not guess. If you can, shut off your main water valve to stop the flow. Then, take a breath and make the call to a 24/7 emergency plumber. One call connects you to experts who handle these crises every day. Don't let chaos take over. Take back control with a single, smart decision. Your property deserves fast, professional protection. In Soho, a family noticed a tiny drip in their ceiling. They put a bucket under it, planning to call for help in the morning. By sunrise, the drip was a flood, ruined floors, a sagging ceiling, and thousands in damage. Their frantic search for a plumber led to voicemails and long wait times, while water kept pouring in. If they'd called a 24/7 emergency plumber right away, the damage would have been minor. Delaying turned a simple fix into a disaster. Water damage spreads fast, and mold can start growing in just a day. The lesson? Don't wait. Plumbing problems never fix themselves, they only get worse. Emergencies don't care if it's late or a holiday. That's why you need a service that answers, dispatches, and solves the problem, anytime. One call can save you thousands and protect your home's value. Don't let a small leak become a nightmare. Act fast and get the help you need before it's too late. Your property's safety depends on your speed. When a pipe bursts, DIY fixes are tempting, but dangerous. A quick patch can fail, turning a leak into a flood. You risk making things worse, damaging your home, and even voiding your insurance. Mold can start growing within 24 hours, threatening your health and costing thousands to remove. Only a licensed plumber has the training and tools to stop the damage and spot hidden risks. Every minute you wait, the repair bill climbs. Insurance companies expect you to act fast and call a pro. Don't gamble with your property or your family's safety. Call a professional immediately. They'll fix it right the first time. Protect your investment and your peace of mind. In an emergency, smart choices matter most. In a crisis, you need certainty. Only trust a licensed insured plumber. A license means they meet New York's strict standards. Insurance protects you if something goes wrong. Never risk your home with an unqualified handyman. Always ask for proof. True professionals are happy to show it. We make it simple. One call to 1-888-862-0246 connects you to a network of local, licensed, and insured plumbers. A real person answers, listens, and dispatches a qualified expert, fast. No guessing, no waiting, no worrying if they're legit. Our network covers all of NYC, so help is always nearby. Local pros know the buildings, codes, and unique challenges of New York plumbing. This isn't just about finding any plumber, it's about finding the right one right now. Get the protection and expertise you need instantly. Your emergency deserves a trusted solution. In an emergency, speed and reliability matter most, not price. Our 24/7 service means a real person answers and a licensed plumber is dispatched immediately. Fast action saves you from catastrophic water damage and stress. Yes, emergency service costs more, but it's a small price compared to the damage from waiting. Think of it like calling an ambulance. You want the fastest, most qualified help. Real stories prove the value. Sarah's kitchen was saved from ruin, and Mark's restaurant reopened the same night after a major backup. Emergency plumbers don't just fix pipes. They save property, businesses, and peace of mind. But you have to act fast. Slots fill up quickly, especially during citywide emergencies. The longer you wait, the longer you might wait for help. Don't risk your home or business by hesitating. Call as soon as disaster strikes. Fast, local, expert help is just one call away. Protect what matters most immediately. You've heard the stories and seen the risks. Now it's your turn to act. Waiting only leads to more damage, higher costs, and bigger headaches. Don't let a plumbing emergency spiral out of control. Your property is a major investment. Protect it with a single, smart call. A team of local experts is ready, day or night, to solve your problem and restore your peace of mind. Every minute you wait, water is causing more harm. Don't let regret be your story. Pick up the phone and call 1-888-862-0246 now. Take control, protect your home or business, and stop the damage before it gets worse. The right help is ready. Don't wait another second. Your next step could save everything.